got the gratata.
Jam jalapeno.
So we got some Carl's Jr. here.
I thought you were talking to her.
I literally have a name.
You know, I want to become vegetarian.
I want more meat on my hamburger.
Gratata. You know Justin Bieber's coming here to the Golden One Center.
This year.
Yeah, on May 19th.
You gonna go?
Yeah, if I win tickets on 102.5.
Tickets.
I mean, blink sometime.
You know what I want to play? I want to play the Midnight.
Ah! We're supposed to remember when Bea and them were here?
No, we weren't supposed to.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you remember Tom Holland?
Her husband. Which one more?
Tom Holland. Justin Bieber has a wife.
I don't know why. The Selena Gomez is so much prettier.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter about like who's prettier.
I know, but like.
Yeah, but if you like, just like their relationship in general was like kind of like
Holy cow.
toxic. Like, do you know how many times they got back together? I told you I was gonna be this way.
Now do you want to watch this?
I guess next time.
Man, why does it feel like I still haven't eaten anything?
You haven't.
I have.
You only take big enough bites to eat a burger right now. We're watching freaking lines just move. Can you? Number 5, McDonald's dirty water. Remember when we did a whole research about him? Yeah, because what's not really like that?
Who?
The person who talks about that on the video.
Oh, Chills.
Okay.
On YouTube, the one that does the scary thing? Yeah!
McDonald's dirt number 5. McDonald's dirty. I got space.
Number 7. His voice is scary.
Literally everything scary scares
It's just
you.
freaky. I just freaked out.
All night, something. Look at that. Ah.
Do you know how to do that thing to make you look like shorter? Go like.
I go like this, so you go.
I really want chocolate cake, man.
There's chocolate cake at Carl's Jr.
Okay, well, I have a little bit left.
Leftovers of mine.
There are no leftovers.
Is it what you were watching last time?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Amari went home. And I'm so mad because he was the entertainment. He was so funny. They sent him home because of Tila, whatever. Because she's not very good at math. But whatever. She didn't even try. And then today's episode, they gave Harrison, my buddy Harrison, hecka hard trivia questions. And they gave Dom, like, what's 2 plus 2? And then Harrison is like, something. I'm just mad because if Harrison gets sent home,
Are you talking to me or the phone?
both of you guys, I'm really gonna cry because Harrison, he's so,
Talk about everything. I wouldn't know anything.
I don't know. I really like Harrison, and he's British. So that makes it like 100 times better. Okay, you guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a kind of last minute video. I filmed it Tuesday. I filmed it a day this week. I don't even know. But the day I'm gonna be posting this is Friday, which is tomorrow. But for you guys, it's today. I don't know. Anyways, this was a really last minute video. I just knew I wanted to do like a mukbang, whatever. But I want to do another one, but like with like friends, you know, and like where we answer questions and spill tea, you know. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.